Got the dreaded audio lag on your AirPods 4? Don't fret. I've got the quick fix. First, let's check for updates. Go to Settings General, then Software. Update on your iPhone to ensure you have the latest iOS. For your AirPods, connect them to your iPhone, go to Settings, General, About, and select AirPods to check for firmware updates. Next, restart your devices. Turn off your iPhone and AirPods, then turn them back on. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. Now, let's minimize interference. Move away from Wi-Fi routers or microwave ovens that might be causing signal issues. Ensure a strong Bluetooth connection by keeping your iPhone close to your AirPods. A stable connection is key. If the lag persists, reset your AirPods. Go to Settings Bluetooth, select your AirPods, and tap Forget this device. Put your AirPods back in the case, close the lid, and reopen it to repair them. Finally, check your audio settings. Ensure the correct output is selected and the volume is up. Still having trouble? Contact Apple support for further assistance.